Okay, so I think we left one thing unresolved, and that is what happened in that video.
Strange thing, but I don't have it.
You don't have it? Okay, so we'll come back to that.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm just joking.
All right. So, oh, I don't have the clicker anymore. Who's got the clicker?
Never mind, I have it here.
Ah, I do have the clicker.
So you are in control.
Okay. So, we left you in suspense.
So many people are waiting for me to get this fixed.
Just stay focused on the task at hand. We all appreciate you fixing this.
Okay, this should do it.
Ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I'm just happy to help, Laura. Merry Christmas to you, too.
Just in time for dinner.
Thanks, Dad.
Did Mommy save Christmas?
She did save Christmas.
And so happy holidays to everybody here, whether it's Christmas or another holiday for you. I have a few things to wrap up with. You remember these cards that I've been talking about all day. What you're supposed to do with them now is put them in this box. And in fact, I'll put it up here because in just a little bit, in fact, you want to take it back? We're going to do a little drawing there and find a winner, find 3 winners, in fact. If there's any others. In the meantime, let me offer some heartfelt thanks to all of our wonderful speakers that came in and gave their time and their insights. We really appreciate that and your time and the openness, open spirit in which you shared what you learned. We really appreciate all of our partners who came and supported the event with their demos and their own insights. Thank you to all of the partners as well. And of course, I must thank our own team, marketing team that helped to put this on for you today. Kate Kondratenko and Katie Bowen, thank you, Kate and Katie. Erin, our Director of Communications, who is going to chastise me afterwards for failing to mention at the beginning, hashtag RealWear Connect. It's a little late, but feel free to tweet at this late stage. But thank you so much for the leadership, Erin. Mario, who looks like an AV guy, but he's really a solution. Okay. Very good, Mario. Solutions engineer stroke AV guy. And I do have one last thing I'd like to take care of here. And of course, the greatest thanks goes to Laura Farbo. Thank you so much. Couldn't have done this without you. I worked incredibly hard to put this together. I think it's been a great success. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the winners randomly without looking. 3, right? 3. Okay, not looking. Okay, winner number 1 is blank.
You didn't put your name on it.
Winner number 1 is R. Bars from Value Match. Valve Match. Okay.
I'll grab your...
So, yeah, where are they going to get it from?
Just meet me over there.
We'll meet Laura in the corner at the end. Winner number 2 is Mark Lees from Spirit Ever? Oh, Energy, okay. It kind of went out of the white area. Spirit Energy, congratulations. And one more. Winner number 3 is Simon Burdell from Avatar Digital. Is that right? Digital. Okay, Cass can't read. Avatar digital. Of course, that makes sense. Simon. Congratulations. Laura's going to look after those. I think that is everything to say, except we're going to meet you for dinner and drinks beginning in about 10 minutes or thereafter in the Sky Lounge in this hotel on the 9th floor, where you can continue to mingle and talk and reflect on what we learned today. Actually, there was another thing I did want to say, but I left my notes back here somewhere. Yes, of course. Actually, I would like to just reflect on some of the things that came out of the day before we actually do break for drinks. So I just wrote down a few little sound bites that I thought would be good to kind of recap very quickly. Mark at the beginning, AR is a change management project. I think we heard that time and time again. It's not the technology, it's about the change management. Great change management principles really help here. I'm excited about the ROI calculator that's going to be online soon. Maybe that will help you guys. I thought it was interesting. Ton talked about video assistance being maybe even a bigger use case than remote assistance. That's capturing knowledge with video. I really like the idea of the diving buddy in the confined space. So a second person that's watching over video, like the safety buddy. And we heard a lot about 5G from Jens, which is great to understand as it's rolling out now. Again, training is mandatory. It's a change management process from Manolis, from Linda. Sebastian from Cronus, the memorable comment. I can work in SAP if I want, but great to see that they're up to 100 calls per month on remote support, and of course, turning that into a valuable revenue service. From the panel, thanks to Nicole, Thomas, and Ton, I think things I took away as part of the discussion, create a community of users that can share their experiences. Again, this is all about change management and building on your champions, and Yammer and Wiki seem to be great ways to do it. So I think those are great ideas that we'll take away and try and work into our standard recommendations. Thomas, this will be standard in 2 years, so it's coming anyway. So are you going to wait 2 years or get the benefits early? And Ton, who can argue with 100 million of projected savings next year? Thank you, Ton. Okay, so that's it. We'll see you in 10 or 15 minutes on the 9th floor. Thank you so much for coming, and we will continue the conversation over some drinks.